And this is the result. I've made it up there, and looking back, it was easy. It was easy to get to the Zugspitze in 4 weeks without money. It was easy. We just consequently went there, asked enough people for money, for food, hitchhike. It's easy to do it if you go on your way. And if you're determined to go there, if you decided to get there, you will get there finally. And if you want to reach your goal, whatever your goal is, expect to be successful, intend to fail, and keep going till you make it. Keep going till you make it. Intend to fail. Do these big leaps. Go in your extreme stretch zone. Because there you learn and you get closer to your goal quickly. Not just in this little movie, step by step by step. Make big steps. Be ready to fail. Be ready to learn.